If you did want to have a look around and take a view, yeah, look up,
I would
down.
love to.
Couple meters, eh?
For you, my man, I'll just close this gate.
Alright, bro. Just relax your legs there, bro. Come on,
Yes,
have
sir.
a deep breath.
Yo!
Tuck yourself
I don't like
in.
how I can't see my way down.
Ah, you're good, bro.
Yeah,
It's
bro,
part of
this
the
is
fun.
kinda fucked up.
Bro.
This is actually evil, I'm not gonna lie.
So just the same before with the wind. Just have to wait for the hour for it to
Yeah,
okay.
Let's definitely wait.
Yeah, now all good, bro. Just relax your legs, have a deep breath, bro. It's a good day out, you know. It's a good day in New Zealand here.
Yeah. Oh!
Yeah.
Oh my god, he was falling for so long.
Thank you yet.
Oh gosh.
If you want to have a look around and take in the view, now is your chance.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, pretty high, eh? Couple
Good.
meters.
It's not too bad. The height is
More
not
relaxed.
bothering me.
Yeah, it's fine, bro. Have a deep breath. Good day out today. It's a good day.
Yeah, it is, man.
Yeah, for you, Mark, bro. If you just want to swim that cake forward,
Absolutely,
come
bro.
run up with you. Alright, so when you're rolling, bro, and you're all good to go.
Okay.
Alright. Surprise or a countdown then?
Count me down, brother.
Yeah, you sure you want to go from 3 or from 5?
Go from 3.
Woo!
There
Any
you
last
go.
words? Famous last words. Wish me luck.
Yeah, listen.
Very good. Have a deep breath, bro. Alright, here we go.
Here we go.
Remember, by kicking your legs around,
Yep.
head tucked in. Have a deep breath, bro. Enjoy it while you're here. You look petrified, my man. He's
Yeah,
like,
scared,
he's like
scared.
frozen.
What can you say?
Yeah, oh, I mean, that was the same, bro. We completely quiet.
The wind needs to stop.
Alright, cuz, just want a surprise?
Yep.
Yeah, just send you.
Oh!
Yeah!